black. This color, good. I can wear this white. White color. If you like it. White color, guys. My Joe. I removed this pen. This peach pala. Be my member, guys, if you want a transparent try-on. Wow! Wow! White color, good! I love it. Ay, laki. Napakaganda, guys. Hi! Taylor! Hi, Taylor! Uy, ang ganda, guys. Nice one. White color. Hello, Max. This one also very beautiful. White color. It's good, guys. See? So now this black, white color, we are finished this black and this one. See? So we have 3 colors, guys. I love it. I love it. How's it, Waldeo? Beautiful, right? See this? My ano. Thank you, Taylor. Where are you from? White color good also. Like this. The same this color. Yes. Thank you, guys. If you want to support my channel, just click the join button and sign $ down below, guys. If you want to send me super sticker, super chat. Diba ang ganda? Now this is color. Guys. Flower. Brown color. This color. The printed flower. Ang ganda, guys. Super beautiful.